guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a GBFKE unboxing. I am very excited. As always, I will have the link to their Facebook group down below, as well as the individual links for the products that I am about to show you. If you are unfamiliar with GBFKE, they are a budget-friendly diamond painting company, and I love them. I've done a lot of these for this company, and I've completed a few. I actually have some after I film this that I'm going to, film and put up here, some completions. But yes, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it because it's baby's nap time and we've got to see what we can get done. Can you tell that we had an eventful morning? It is very hot here in Arizona already. So my hair, it looked good, but now it's been sweating and it's just frizzing up everywhere. I've got this curly guy happening back here. It is what it is. So let's go. First things first, I got an accessory this time. I have gotten very much into accessories lately. So this is a really cute heart-shaped tray with a lid. And the nice thing about this is it has the lines on both the bottom and the lid. So if you wanted, you could actually use this as two different trays, or you can just use it as one. Either way. So, but yeah. The one thing that I do wish this had was a spout to dump it out, but I feel like if I used the bottom here that I could kind of dump it, like the bottom of the heart, I could dump it a little bit there. But I do wish that it had a spout, but it's got a very secure lid, and that is the little tray that I got. So excited. I love that it's pink too. I'm a pink girly. Okay, first things first, I have a 30 by 40, and this is a Studio Ghibli looking painting, and it is from Howl's Moving Castle. So you just have a bunch of different scenes from the movie here. Calcifer is like my favorite character. I just love him so much. The sass is top notch. But this is a 30 by 40 with 21 colors, and it is round drills. So I am very excited. Here, I'll get up a little closer here for you. I am very excited to see how this one turns out. It does have quite a bit of detail, but I think it's gonna be okay. I don't know. We'll see, but I'm very excited for this one. It did come with a standard toolkit, so you've got your boat, your pen, and your wax. That is all you need to do diamond paintings, and it came in the little bags. I'm not going to open these up, but you can get the gist of the color palette from here. But the tiny bags, I mean, they are what they are. It's not the end of the world, but you just got to cut them open a little bit more than the big bags. But so there's the first one. Very excited about that one. This one is so cute. It is a 30 by 30, and it is Hello Kitty with a little Dunkin' Donuts Frappuccino and a strawberry donut. I am so excited because, okay, I usually get iced coffee and a strawberry donut when I go to Dunkin', but still, the vibe is the same, and it's all pink and cute, and I just had to have this one. So this one is a round with 17 colors, and I'm very excited to do this because, as you can tell, it's going to be very pink. The Drillfield on both of these is very clear. So just so you know, this one came bagged up already, or pre-kitted up. And here is the color palette on this. You see all those pinks in there. Got some blues from that background. But this one is kitted up and ready to go. And of course, it did come with a toolkit as well. So your boat, your pen, and your wax, and that's all you need. But one more time, the canvas, so cute. Okay, and last but not least, this one might be my favorite. I love all of the ones that I've showed you so far, but this one might be my favorite, just because, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I am from Arizona, and it's kind of like Southwest vibes here. Not kind of, it is Southwest vibes here. But this is a 40 by 40 Southwest cowgirl riding a horse, just beautiful. And the color palette on this, phenomenal. I love the oranges and the blues. It is just a 15 out of 10 for me. And this one is 23 colors, and again, it is a round drill kit. I just love this so much. Let me get you guys in here closer to see the detail. I'm so excited to do this one. Drillfield is super, super clear on this. And here is the color palette. Here are the drills. Again, this one is kitted up for you. I mean, just look at that color palette. I cannot believe how beautiful it is. Like, give me oranges and teals any day of the week and I'm here for it. So, and I love when they come kitted up like this, you know, with like pre-labeled, all of that. So very, very grateful for that. And again, you do get a standard toolkit with this kit. So tray, pen, wax, and that is everything that you need to diamond paint. You can get into the fun stuff like this, but it's not necessary, but it's really fun. Okay, so that is it for today's video. Let me fly through the canvases for you guys just one more time, just as a little recap. So I got a 40 by 40 of this Desert Cowgirl. Obsessed. Obsessed. And then I got a 30 by 30 of this little Dunkin Hello Kitty. So cute. And I got a 30 by 40 of Howl's Moving Castle. So cool. And last but not least, I did get this tray, this lidded, like 2-tray lidded tray. I don't know what to call that. Heart tray. I'm just gonna call it heart tray. I got this as well. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for being here. I hope that you're having a great day, night, whenever you're watching this. If you are interested in wax or diamond painting videos, this is the channel for you. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I would be more than happy to have you. And don't forget to check out the links for GBFKE down below. If none of the items I showed you are your cup of tea, they have so many other options. So don't forget to check out their website and join their Facebook group. But that is it for today, and until next time.